I got this big rock.
Maybe it's a jig. It's got a bunch of ants on it.
Let's crack it open.
Let's get this thing cracked open. Oh. She ain't cracking.
Okay, as you saw, the chain didn't work. In fact, it tried to break my tool. So now I'm gonna give it some light persuasion. Okay. All it took was 3 light persuasions. That makes a lot of sense. She's pretty solid. Let me know what you guys think. Gotta go get another clampy boy for the tool. Thanks for watching.